Okay guys, welcome to another review. Today we're going to be comparing the InPods 12, the TWS X26 and the TWS i12s. First, let's look at what's similar between the two devices. The InPods 12 and the TWS i12s, which can be mistaken for each other actually. Both of them have the build of the Apple AirPods. We have the button at the back, but another difference is the TWS i12 has the indicator in the middle, while the InPods 12 has the indicator under. But their charging ports are actually quite different. This one has a micro USB charging port, while this one has a lightning port. Okay, let's look at the TWS X26, which is modeled after the Urbanista Stockholms. It has a micro USB charging port. Okay, let's open all of them up a bit, and we're going to look at the devices themselves. So we can see that, like I said, the AirPods, the InPods 12s and the TWS i12s are modeled after the AirPods, while the TWS X26 is modeled after the Urbanista. So I'm going to connect these devices up to my other phone, and we're going to listen to some music, and we're going to see which one has the best soundtrack. Okay, the soundtrack is actually pretty good, but the bass is not so loud, but it's actually okay. Why don't we try the TWS X26? Okay, this one is also okay, but not really the best. I think the InPods 12 are actually better than this. Okay, let's try the TWS i12s. Okay, this one has a good sound. It's not the best sound, but it has a pretty good sound. Okay, actually in the sound quality, I'm gonna give it to the InPods 12. I really like the sound quality of the InPods 12. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this little review. Hope you subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.